Meaning of flame.
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 Flame. Flame refers to the visible, gaseous part of a fire. It is characterized by its brightness, heat, and varied colors depending on the temperature and composition of the burning material. Flames result from a chemical reaction between a fuel, such as wood or gasoline, and an oxidant, usually oxygen in the air. The resulting flame produces heat, light, and carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other combustion byproducts. Flames can be controlled and used for various purposes, including cooking, heating, and lighting, but can also be dangerous if not properly handled.